Yaxshimisilar ko'pchilik? Kinoda ingliz signal programmasiga xush kelibsiz. Bu qismda 7-qismda bu qismda Matrix degan kinodan ingliz signalimiz. Bu 99-yil ishlangan kino deyman. Undasi diqqatingiz ekranda bo'lsin. Yamranlar.
What I want to show you, but unfortunately you and I have run out of time.
Run out of time. Ma'nosi tugab ketmak, run out of degan bir narsa tugab ketmak yoki qolmaslik. Masalan, men pul qolmadi deymiz. I am running out of money. I am running out of money. I am running out of time bo'lsa, vaqt qolmadi deymiz. Buni bir misol aytsam, masalan, hozir virus tufaylidan qanday qog'oz qolmadi-ku. We are running out of toilet paper. We are running. Ma'lum? Running. ing shaklda. Tamam shu atqan. We are running out of toilet paper. Yana bir misol aytsam, I am running out of patience. Patience degan sabr degan gap. Men sabr tugab ketib bordi degan deymiz. I am running out of patience. Run out of degan bir narsa qanda tugab ketmak, qolmaslik deb ma'nosi bor. Unda esa kelarki so'z qaraylik ekranga. Dedim, Yamranova.
The other is in their custody. You take a chance either way. I leave it to you.
Take a chance either way dedi. Take a chance either way. Keyingi so'z nima? Take a chance either way. Take a chance. Take a chance degan mag'lubiyat yoki xatar. Ya mag'lubiyat yoki xatarga qaramay bir ishni qilmoq degan gap. Yoki mag'lubiyat yoki xatar. Masalan, men bu vaqtim tavakkul qila olmayman xatarga yoki mag'lubiyatga. Qaysi bo'lsa kelaverdi? I can't take I can't take a chance. I can't take a chance this time. I can't take a chance this time. Men bu vaqtim xatarga tavakkul qila olmayman yoki bu vaqtim men mag'lub bo'lish unda nim qila olmayman demoqchi. Unda qila olmayman dedi. Yana bir jumla tushsam, this idea may not work. This idea may not work. Bu ideya balkim ishlamasligi mumkin, qaror kelmasligi mumkin. This idea may not work. But we have to take a chance. But we have to take a chance. Bu fikir ishlamasligi mumkin, qaror kelmasligi mumkin. Lekin biz bir tavakkul qilsak bo'lmaydi. Take a chance, tavakkul qilmoq deb tushunsak bo'ldi. Mag'lubiyat ya xatar o'sim qarmay qilib tavakkul qilmoq. But we have to take a chance. Don't take a chance o'sha. Tavakkul qilma bo'ldi. I have to take a chance o'sha men tavakkul qilsam bo'lmaydi bo'ldi. Undan keyin eng oxirgi so'zga ekran qaraylik.
Whatever you want to call it, I can't stand it any longer.
Yamranlar.
Reality, whatever you want to call it, I can't stand it any longer.
Nim dedi? I can't stand it any longer. I can't stand it any longer. Can't stand. Can't stand. Can't stand degan mush gapni o'zi g'a o'ch yoki bilan xo'sh yo'q degan gap. I can't stand you bo'lsa, sen bilan xo'sham yo'q. I can't stand him. Aning bilan qat'iy xo'sham yo'q degan gap. I can't stand him. I can't stand people smoking around me. I can't stand people smoking around me. Kishilarning atrofimda tomoq chekib yurishini qat'iy xo'sham yo'q. I can't stand people smoking around me. Yana bir misol aytsam, I can't stand garlic and onions. I can't stand garlic and onions. Garlic degan nima? Samsoq. Onions, piyoz. Ba'zi odamlar piyoz bilan samsoq yemaydi-ku. I can't stand garlic and onions. Shu piyoz bilan samsoq bilan xo'sham yo'q degani qana I can't stand. Deymiz. Bugungi darsimiz mushagicha, men bu yerga o'rganganda bir yig'inchoqlik o'tay. Run out of, take a chance, can't stand. Tushunmay bo'lsa asl inkas shaklda so'rasanglar bo'ldi. Darsimiz mushagicha. Rahmat.